Mode mixture is a technique used very commonly in the Romantic era and is still used pretty commonly now in the modern era. It's when you take chords from the Aeolian or minor mode, right here, and you use them in a major key. So you take the quality and the way that those chords are built and use them in a key that they don't really belong, and it makes it a very surprising chord for your progression. So we have the qualities of every chord in major and Aeolian scales here. With one, we don't want to switch that up. We're not in a major key unless we have a major one. However, we can switch any of these around and it would be good mode mixture. Let's experiment with this a little bit. If we take this 2 diminished chord, let's say, since you have an A flat and an Aeolian mode, let's make it a 7 chord. So this progression here would sound like this. Now you can hear how it's a very surprising thing just because of that A flat. We'll play it again. The same thing can be done with any of these chords. Let's try the 3 chord. We would notate it as a flat 3 chord because it's built on E flat. That would be flat, that would be flat, and that would be flat. So let's hear what this sounds like. That's what the E flat chord would sound like. It's also used in the Lord of the Rings theme. If we were to substitute the minor 4 chord, let's see. Have that A flat there. Let's hear what this sounds like. Hear that lado. And it makes for a surprising chord. Let's do this again with the 5 chord. You won't see the minor 5 chord in a progression very often, but it happens every once in a while. Let's say flat. We'll do it that way. And this will sound like this. Bad. And it makes for a surprise, but doesn't really have a tonal tendency. We do the same thing with 6. This will be a flat 6 chord because it's built on A flat in the key of C. We'll have this here, keep that there. Let's do this. This is what it sounds like. Flat 6 is probably the most common form of mode mixture in modern music. And flat 7 sounds very similar. Let's say this goes here. And it's flat 7 because it's built on B flat instead of B natural. Let's hear what this sounds like. Well, a lot of times mode mixture is used in connection with each other. Like you can have, my bad. 1, flat 3, flat 6, flat 7, 1. Which is actually a pretty common form of mode mixture. And that's how mode mixture works.